AC motor and generator. What is an AC motor? Converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Operates using alternating current or AC. Commonly used in fans, pumps, and machines. Parts of an AC motor. Stator is stationary part, rotor rotating part, shaft transfer motion, bearings reduce friction. Working principles of AC motor. AC supplies creates a rotating magnetic field. Rotor follows the magnetic field and produces continuous rotation. What is an AC generator? Converts mechanical energy into electrical energy, also called an alternator. Produce alternating current. Parts of an AC generator. This is the part of AC generator. Rotor, stator, slip rings, and brushes. Working principles of AC generator. Mechanical rotation inside the magnetic field. Electromagnetic induction generates AC voltage. Output change direction periodically. Applications: AC motors, appliance, industrial machines, electric fans, AC generators, power plants, backup generators, wind turbines. Advantage and disadvantage of AC generator and AC motor. Advantage: efficient and durable, mainly used. Disadvantage: required AC supply, maintenance needed for some parts. Conclusion: AC motor and generator are essential in modern technology. They help convert energy for daily and industrial use.